to speed up your processor or CPU in Windows 10 or Windows 11, simply go to Hello everyone, how are you today? In this tutorial I wanna show you how you can boost your CPU or processor in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Simply go to your left button, okay, and search for power option, edit power plan. That's it, edit power plan. Click here. Okay, as you can see, click in change advanced power settings. Okay, here scroll down to processor power management. Okay, here guys, we have minimum processor state and maximum processor state. At maximum processor state, ensure that 100 on battery or plugged in, and the minimum processor state set to 0%, then apply, then OK. Also guys, another tips, go to your taskbar and right click, then select task manager. Here in the startup tab, disable unwanted program or software by right click and disable. As you can see, I'm disabled some application. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.